Alright guys, today we're gonna start out here. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you very much to our 10 new subscribers. Welcome to the family, guys. We're at 126 now. Yay. Keep them coming, keep them coming. Today we're gonna go ahead and as you guys can see, finish with that truck. We ran out of wire on our last video. Let's go. Welcome back, YouTube family. As you remember, we ran out of cable for our welder. Yes, we did. We sure did. But not to worry, we went to our Harbor Freight. We didn't find it at Harbor Freight. Too bad. So we had to go to a welding store I got back here by my house, and we found it. 0 or 0.025 gauge. What is this? Mild steel MIG wire. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and replace this one for the other one that is no longer there, and feed it through the machine and finish tack welding this panel. Alrighty guys, so we turn it on here. We press the gadget right here, or a little trigger, and this spins. That means it's good. We're just waiting for the tip to show up here. It usually takes about a minute. If everything's going well. It should be any time now. I think I feel it coming up the tip right now. Oh shoot, looks like we're stuck somewhere. Let me see here. Okay. It feels like if we were stuck. Let's see here. There it is. Shoo. That's all we need. I just cut it right here. And ready for welding. Let's go. Alrighty guys, as you guys can see, we went ahead and did a lot of little tacking there. We're gonna go ahead and finish this panel up before we continue back here. We're just trying to get that metal really flush in there. That's why we're hitting it with the hammer. So far so good. We're gonna get that just how we got this corner right here. We should be just fine. Man, this is a little tiring, so I'm gonna go ahead and knock this out, and I'll get back with you guys once it's all tacked together and we're ready to sand. Sheesh, lots of work to do today. Alright guys, I went ahead and turned that light on. Looks like we need better lighting in the garage, but here we go. The angle you guys couldn't see, or still can't see because I'm in the way probably. There you go. We got all that welded up. We got our missing dot right there. We welded all the way right there already. Tack weld. And we still need to do a couple more tack welds on the side. Then we're getting ready to sand. Alright. Whew, this is tiring. There you go, guys. That's about, I want to say, 2 hours of just tack welding. Hey, and still not done. Gotta make sure we're doing it right. Alright guys, so we got everything lined up here and welded. We put everything together with the little tack welds. Some of them are fatter than I would like, but they're there. A lot of more sanding for us, but hey, I'd rather have everything covered and weld together and a lot more sanding. We still got to do this corner back here. Got to hammer it up a little bit. Do have to cut a little bit more right there so I can push that metal in. It's not going in real well, so I'll go ahead and do that. But it's getting really dark outside. It is nighttime already, so Bella's already hungry over here, asking me let's go back inside. So we're probably most likely gonna leave that for another day. So tomorrow morning we should be able to knock this out. Next day, we have our panels here. Gonna go ahead and finish welding this strut. Woo-wee! On fire. Go ahead and finish that corner. Start welding. Hopefully get through as I can. Alright guys, about time we finish welding. That is it for the welding parts. We have welded our panel right here. The other side is done, which is the driver's side. This was our last panel here. We went ahead and knocked it out here. So it is done. It is sanded. Time to use the body filler to make it all smooth and looking good now. We're gonna go ahead and do that next. So, woo-wee! I can officially say we are done welding. All we gotta do now is body work. Turn our welder off. Done. Se acabó. No más. Close this thing. And let's get to sanding and body work. Man, we got a lot of work to do still. Sheesh. Here we go. Alright guys, so this is gonna be it for this video. We went ahead and started body work on this side over here. Yes, we're gonna have to use some body filler. Yes, I know, but it's not a show truck, so we'll be okay. So we did put a little bit of there in the, I don't know if you guys remember this fender being fixed. This is just to make it all smooth and smooth out. It is done. We didn't need to put none down there, so that's good. The metal just flexed itself and it was okay. Up here is a little harder, so we had to do it. We had to do it. No choice. We went ahead and took everything apart. So once we start doing body work, we can just go ahead and start priming and painting. All we got to do is tape our plastics. Well, we don't want to get any primer or paint on. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. We'll go ahead and put the rest in another one. It's been tiring. Lots of work and hours into this truck. But hey, we're almost there. We're almost putting it back and it's gonna look beautiful. Yeah, yes. All right. All right, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean up here real quick. Clean all this up and stuff. But if you guys like the video, you already know what to do.